Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best security camera on the market, the Blink Mini 2. Whether you're looking to beef up your home security or just want a reliable camera to keep an eye on things, the Blink Mini 2 delivers on all fronts. It's a compact, plug-in smart security camera that brings a host of premium features to your home, all at an affordable price. Let's start with the basics. The Blink Mini 2 is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with a built-in spotlight for color night vision. This camera offers 1080p HD video during the day, and with its color night vision, you can rest assured knowing you have clear footage even when the lights go out. With its 143-degree wide field of view, you can capture more of what's happening around your home, ensuring you're always in the know. One of the standout features of the Blink Mini 2 is the two-way audio. This means you can listen in and communicate through the camera, making it perfect for interacting with family members, checking on pets, or even telling the delivery person where to leave your package. The sound quality is crisp and clear, ensuring that your conversations come through loud and clear. The motion detection is top-notch, sending real-time alerts to your phone whenever it senses movement. This allows you to stay connected no matter where you are, giving you peace of mind even when you're out and about. The Blink Mini 2 also has advanced person detection through its optional subscription plan, which is an extra layer of security. It's capable of differentiating between people, animals, and objects, ensuring that you're only alerted for what matters most. Setting up the Blink Mini 2 couldn't be easier. Simply plug in the camera, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and pair it with the Blink app. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to control your camera with just a few taps. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa, so you can use voice commands to check in on your home. But if you're planning to use the Blink Mini 2 outside, keep in mind you'll need the Blink weather-resistant power adapter, which is sold separately. This accessory allows the camera to withstand the elements and continue working in any weather, making it just as effective outdoors as it is inside. If you're looking for more storage options, the Blink subscription plan offers cloud video storage, letting you store your clips in the cloud for up to 60 days. And if you'd prefer local storage, you can also purchase the Sync Module 2 for saving clips on a USB drive, giving you more flexibility with how you manage your footage. The Blink Mini 2 is also designed with sustainability in mind. It's made with 24% recycled materials and comes in 100% recyclable packaging. It's always great to see a product that balances high performance with environmental responsibility. In conclusion, the Blink Mini 2 is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to add smart security to their home. With its exceptional video quality, wide field of view, two-way audio, and easy setup, it checks all the boxes for a reliable, user-friendly security camera. Whether you're securing your front door, monitoring your pet while you're at work, or just keeping an eye on your home, the Blink Mini 2 is the camera you can trust. If you're looking for the best security camera to fit your needs, look no further than the Blink Mini 2. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. See you in the next video.